Hi, this is how you can customize your subscriptions. In the Manage Shipments menu, click on Notifications. Next, click on Create New Notification. After this, choose Transport Plan Changes and click Continue. If you have multiple accounts, you need to create a subscription for each of them. Next, choose how much the arrival date should vary before we notify you. You can choose both minimum ETA and minimum ETD change with options between 1 day to 1 week. Enter the email address for who receives the notifications. Here, you can also choose your preferred language. Next, select the frequency at which you want to receive your notifications. Deselect the boxes not relevant for you. You can choose to be informed only about the countries that you work with, or when your company plays a specific role. Once again, deselect the boxes not relevant to you. Now just click Submit, and that's it. You just created your notification. It's that simple.